Kisamla kibala syajit banyale ya ka common entrance examination na ni ka CEE ban yo rung syakakam shipai ne ka singi ka arpasau trik ujiliu kila pelong da ka jingyai rali bat perta ngi dawa ya ka hok bat pen pauru ya ka jing persya ya ka skim Agnipath. Habai kren baki ni kisamla ki belawan na keleng ki jaka Jong kani ka jela kila itu baki bor bah kli jong shipai kila pentip bayaki kinsa pendrung hapok ka skim Agnipath. Shu kila itu ru bakila pendap ya ka physical but medical but menta kidang up ya ka CEE. Hendrai da ka jing penbena ya ka skim Agnipath la pensange no ya ki exam baki dai banyale.
As the youth of Meghalaya here, we are all about 800 I think total for all of us all Meghalaya have selected for the medical. But not here for here, I think only 50 plus we are here. So we demand for the government to take responsible for us to conduct this CE exam because we, the youth, we really want from our bottom of our heart. Really, I can see that we want to be in the Indian Army.
Last year, Mira warna pendap nado ke physical nado medical nada mental last misa saka C exam tadin kumto ya C exam postpone anda we benar postpone edit kumto ini how December arpo santrek kawan ke city napo DC bakal apoi ka kawe ka city ka phaban le verification no yaki document ni ban register no apa Indian Army.
Youth are the future of the country, so the government cannot dumb like this. There are many of them have been overage, like Indian Army, they want 17 half to 21. Most of them they are 22, 23. What about them?